So Partial Oceanview room here at Riu Palace Pacifico. We've got a walk-in shower with a rainfall shower head, dual vanity, and quiescences is the toiletries of choice. There is a hairdryer, a couple of hangers, some extra towels, but it is proper door to the toilet area. And then we have a closet, a couple of bathrobes, lots and lots of hangers. Over there you can see there is a safe, so we won't open that up from the other side. Mini bar, and of course this is Riu standard, so we've got tequila, vodka, rum, and gin, and those will be replaced if they run out. But also you've got a coffee station, water, and minibar. Minibar is replenished. Why do I always guess the wrong way? Minibar is replenished once per day. I should put this one aside because that little soldier should not get touched for a while. Right, king size bed. Actually a little bit bigger than a king size bed, and North American plug-in, as well as fast charger, as well as USB charger. There is a ceiling fan. Got the Honeywell air conditioning situation going on. It seems pretty quiet right now. And then we've got the fancy TV, lots of storage, room service included. And on this side we just have a plug-in as well as the USB, and as well as the phone, and extra storage as well. A couple of steps down you've got the couch. Check this out. Just a regular couch, so nice and firm. Yes, sitting. And we've got the outdoor area. As I said, how do we open this? As I said, there's a lock up here. This is Partial Ocean View. So we're facing into the courtyard. There are some that face outside. And that's the view. So I really can't complain about that. It's quite lovely. Interestingly enough, if you view this side, sunrise is sort of over here, sunset's over there, so you're not going to have any intense sun over here. So if you wanted to sit on your balcony and read a book, this is the place to do it. And that's the garden areas below. And here's the reverse view of the room.